Good morning. Hello, Instagram Live. Good morning. I'm Laura Madden. Welcome to ReFashioned Art. We just wrapped a live filming with AZTV Channel 7 here in Arizona. Thank you, Brad Perry. You're amazing. You're such a pro. That was a ton of fun. We'll be sharing that as soon as I have the video. Thank you, Kelly. The producer at AZTV 7 Arizona Daily Mix. You're amazing. And I was here joined by Lynn Gustafson, and she is the organizer of the Camelback studio tour. And it was a ton of fun. She was here just to talk a little bit about the logistics of the Camelback studio tour, which, in case you have not been following, is the art tour and art sale I'm going to be a part of this Saturday and Sunday, November 12th and 13th. And I am at my studio here, and we were just filming on AZTV 7 Arizona Daily Mix with Brad Perry, talking about the tour and what you're going to see here at studio number 7, which is where I'm located. I'm just one of, let me see, this year we have 30 artists on the tour, and I am one of those 9 studios that are on the tour. This is a free self-guided tour. It's studios, artist studios in and around the Camelback Mountain area of Phoenix and Scottsdale, and I am Studio 7, and so it's going to be my work here, ReFashioned Art, as well as my good friend, artist Silva. These are 2 of her pieces. She's abstract, modern. She's got some realism, figurative pieces. Super, super cool. So I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek. This was our setup today. Well, we're setting up for the show, but also for our live filming with AZTV 7. And so guys, one thing I want to share, if you are attending this weekend, I am doing a giveaway of this print. This is my very favorite piece, Presents, and it's actually, this is a print, this is what you'll win. This is a print of this, and this is for sure my very favorite piece. I did this years ago, and it was during a very, very pivotal time in my life, as well as the person who framed this for me in this antique frame had a very, very important role in my life. And so this piece is one of the pieces that is actually not for sale. Everything else you see is for sale, but since it's not for sale, I am doing a giveaway, and so if you attend this weekend, you can enter to win. Just a little fun fact, a few other pieces. So everything you're seeing here is for sale. And so this weekend, we are doing an art sale. So everything you see is a minimum of 20% off. Sorry, my camera skills are not the very best at the moment, but all these amazing pieces are for sale. Minimum of 20% off. Now, one little fun fact, if you did watch my AZTV Channel 7 segment this morning, or if you do watch the replay, then I'm going to extend that special sale pricing to you starting today. So you don't have to attend, or if you can't attend, why wouldn't you want to? But if you can't attend the show this weekend, I'm still going to extend that special sale pricing to you if you watch the segment and mentioned that, you know, you watched Brad Perry on AZTV 7, Arizona Daily Mix. Just watch the segment and I will happily extend that sale pricing to you. Just gonna turn this around. That didn't quite work right. Hello. Hopefully, this is, there we go. So a few more pieces, guys, just to give you a little sneak peek of some of the items you will see this weekend. This is Too Faced, one of my favorites, Godiva. This is Lillet. This is Phoenix Rising. Sorry, they all have very special names. Vortex. This is one of my newest pieces. Part of my ReFashion Resculpt series. These are all about texture and volume, and these are my 3D sculptural wall art series. That's Vortex. This is actually a very big piece, hard to tell. Gold Mine. I know the lighting is not ideal here. That's a little more sculptural for you. But as you can see, we are fully set up, and here are some fun gifts, some newer items. Also, guys, just want to mention, in case you didn't know or notice or hear, I am doing a giveaway right now, and it actually ends today at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm doing a giveaway with Lula Rose. We worked together. We partnered to create this acrylic block series. So I have a collection of acrylic blocks featuring some of my ReFashioned art prints. This is Modern Love 2, and whoever whoever wins the giveaway, we're gonna let you actually choose which acrylic block print you would like. So total win-win, but that ends today at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're in Arizona, that's noon. So we got just 2 hours left. The link is in my bio if you do want to enter the acrylic block giveaway, and I hope you will. This makes an amazing gift. This is another one of my favorites. This is OX1. This one, you could actually display it any way you like. These are 4 inches by 6 inches and 1 inch thick. So they got a pretty good depth, a great way to decorate your desk or your shelf. I think it's called a shelfie now. This is fashion too. This is my best-selling print. And also right now it's the best-selling acrylic block from the collection. So fun fact, but you can win one of those acrylic blocks. Again, the link is in my bio. So you just go to that link in bio and fill out your name, your email, and then I have a pinned post with those acrylic blocks. It is a video, a time lapse. It's a time lapse of me creating the print that is featured on one of the choices from the acrylic block collection. So you just like that post, and if you want extra entries, tag a friend or in that post or share it in your stories, and you will get an extra entry for every action, no limit. So go for it. I hope you will enter to win. Again, makes a great gift if you don't win, but that's the acrylic block giveaway. Ends today, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Camelback Studio Art Tour and Art Sale. I'm here at Studio 7 with Sin Silva. Those are her pieces right there. And that's this Saturday, November 12th, 10 to 5. Totally open house. Drop in anytime. All are welcome. And Sunday, 10 to 4. So don't forget, guys, this is a whole tour, 30 artists total, 9 separate artist studios. And I think you should come by because, our Sin and I, we're going to have lots of drinks. We're going to have food. So we got the bubbles, we got the bites, we got our art giveaways. We are going to have music. We are going to make it a really, really fun time and a great way to kick off your weekend. If you're going out for happy hour or dinner, you can maybe stop here first, or you're going out for lunch or after lunch, stop on in because it's going to be fun. All right, I'm going to stop babbling. Oh, and of course, my presents giveaway. You want to come for that. And the sale pricing this weekend. That's it for now. CamelbackStudioTour.com if you'd like to look up the map to get the addresses of all of the artists' studio, CamelbackStudioTour.com, or follow them here on Instagram at Camelback Studios. All right, that's it. Signing off. I hope you watched the AZTV 7 segment. It was a ton of fun. I thought it went pretty good. My dogs didn't bark, so that was a bonus. And we had a great time. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And oh, hey, guys, hello, PME. Hey, oh, Michelle, how are you? Jen, hey, Michelle, Beth, Christina, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.